My greetings to all the students. First and foremost, I would like to welcome you all to the BA course. I am Sugandha Singh, Assistant Professor English Literature, and I will be teaching you English. So, um, there was a lot of confusion among students regarding the syllabus and the books that they have to buy. So, this video is an attempt to clarify some of your views and give you a clear picture of your syllabus and also to tell you about the books which you have to buy. So I had shared the document with you in the group also. There are two papers in your syllabus. Um, First paper is short stories and the second paper is English grammar and phonetics. So in the first paper, you will be studying 10 short stories by different writers. The whole paper is divided into 3 units. The first unit, there are 2 stories, A Horse and Two Goats and The Tunnel by R.K. Narayan and Ruskin Bond respectively. They both are Indian writers. The second unit, in second unit, you will find 3 stories, Paste, Telemaker's Friend and An Official Position by Henry James, who is an American writer, and O. Henry, who is again an American writer, and W. Somerset Maugham, he is a British writer. Now, the last and the third unit is the longest unit, and in this unit you will find 5 stories. Uh, Written by authors belonging to different nationalities. Now, The Woman at the Store is a story written by Catherine Mansfield, who is from New Zealand. Hill Like White Elephant is a story written by Ernest Hemingway, who is an American writer. The Demon Lover is a story written by Elizabeth Woven, uh, who is Irish. 520 is a story written by Patrick White, who is an Australian writer. And then the last story, The Runway, is written by Morley Callaghan, a Canadian writer. Now, in this paper, an attempt is being made to introduce students to writers belonging to different countries with very different styles of writing coming under the umbrella of English literature. Now, the second paper is English grammar and phonetics. You are very familiar with English grammar. You have studied in school also. Now, but phonetics is something new for you. So in English grammar, you will be, again, the paper is divided into 3 units. The first 2 units, um, it contains the portion of English grammar. Then the third unit is the unit in which you are going to study phonetics. So in the first unit, you will be studying articles, noun, pronoun, and subject verb agreement. And the kind of questions that will be asked from this unit will be fill in the blanks and correction of sentences. In the second unit, you will have to study direct, indirect narration, then active, passive sentences, and then conjunction and preposition. And the kind of questions that will be asked from this unit will be transformation of sentences and correction of sentences. Now, unit 3 is the unit where you will be asked the essay type questions or the long answer questions. In this unit, you will have to study a bit of science also. Since you are not familiar with the term phonetics, phonetics is basically the study of sound. So, uh, firstly, in phonetics, you will have to study airstream mechanism, organs of speech, respiratory system, phonatory system, articulatory system, um, in order to understand how sounds are produced. Then you will have to study classification of speech sounds, vowels and consonants, phonetic transcription, monosyllabic and disyllabic words, accented and unaccented syllables. So this is your syllabus for the second paper. I hope now you can understand what you are going to study. Um, in the first year of your BA English. So coming to the next question or your next query about books. Since there are two papers in your syllabus, you will have to buy two books. One book for the first paper, other book for the second paper. So in total, you have to buy two books. Um, while buying the book for the first paper, make sure that the full text of the stories which are in syllabus is there. The only condition that is that you need to fulfill while buying book for first paper is that the text should be there. Hmm? All stories should be given in full in the book. I've already shared with you the picture of the cover papers of the books of both the papers. So please look carefully and try to buy the books as soon as possible so that we can uh, begin with our syllabus. Hmm? So looking forward to meeting you very soon for your classes. Have a good day.